Hello everyone, here we are at Zimmer and Peacock. This time we are going to show you how we do test our sodium sensors and how we acquire the calibration curves. For this instance I have Emilia here helping us out with the titration calibration procedure. So for this we have an nanopot connected to the PC where PS Trace is running. We are currently making an OCP, open circuit potential measurement, with these settings. It's fairly simple procedure. And here we have actually a stand holding one of our ZP sodium sensors inside a beaker under constant steering. So what we will do now is we will test also the capacity, the response to sodium, but also the sensor's response to interferences such as potassium. For that, now we are acquiring a baseline, as you can see on the software, and Emilia now will pipette from one of the ZP concentrated test solutions. We'll pipette exactly 217 microliters of the test solution. We will translate an increment in the sodium concentration from 40 millimolar to 80 millimolar. So we're going to see a 40 millimolar increase. So as an Emilia pipettes, you see that there is a considerable step increase. So what we are going to do now is we're going to let this stabilize, and once it stabilizes we're going to add potassium into the solution, the equivalent to 1 millimolar, just to see how this interferes with our sodium sensors. So we are currently looking into the ranges that are clinically interesting. So we'll just wait a few seconds, and you see, and now I am gonna ask Emilia to start preparing and pipetting 5.2 microliters of the ZP potassium test solution into the beaker in order to give us a potassium increase of 1 millimolar. As this happens, you can see the sensor was not completely stable, but as you can see, you see a small increase. But if we look at the size of that increase, we have an increase of only 1 millivolt instead of whereas for the 40 millimolar of sodium increase, which is a more clinically relevant increase in sodium, we have 10 millivolts increase. So if we compare the 40 millimolar with 1 millimolar from potassium, we realize that the interference is there, but is not significant. It's a very low interferences, and that's how we test here at Zimmer and Peacock. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.